Hi, hi. Hi, Lynn.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, I saw your, what's that? Wait, I check in Zalo. Your assignment. Thank you for making one. Very good. Good job. Yeah. So, the first one, I let you make, okay, sentences out from the given words. The words that I give you are trees. Oh, wait for a while. Okay, I given you branch, pocket, castle, and handlebar, right? There are four. So you had made me sentences. First, all the tree will have branches. Okay, be careful with the spelling. It's branches. Okay, all the trees will have branches. It's not branches. Okay, be careful with the spelling of branches. Okay. Okay, another one. Look at number one. Number two, rather. Next is pocket. I think all the t-shirt has a pocket. Okay, look at Lynn. I think all the t-shirt has a pocket. Okay, don't include will. Okay, I think all the t-shirt has, I think all the t-shirt have pockets. Okay, have pockets. Have because it is all. Okay, I love castle. Oh, that would be okay. Bicycle needs handy buyer. Handy hand handlebar needs handlebar. Okay, bicycle needs handlebar. Okay, you use needs here because bicycle is singular. So, okay, here. Subject verb agreement. Okay, here. Look at this one. I already sent to Zalo my reply about the assignment. Okay. First is, okay, Lynn. Okay. First, Lynn, is your answer. Okay. Your answer here is all the trees will have branches. Okay. All the trees, just be careful with the spelling branches. I know you are correct, but just be careful in writing. Okay, next is,
Okay.
yeah, I know you're correct, but just be careful in writing. Okay, next is, okay, all the trees will have branches. Okay. Okay. Next one. Another is I think all the t-shirt. I think all the t-shirt have pockets. Okay. As you can see here, Lynn, I use have. I use have, Lynn, because we are talking about all the t-shirt. And that is why I have to use pockets because it is plural. Next, Lynn. Next is here. Next is bicycle. Okay, here. Needs a handlebar. Okay. As you can see, Lynn, here, can you see that, Lynn? Bicycle
Yeah.
needs. Needs because bicycle is singular. So therefore, the verb should also be singular. Okay. That's the basic rule in subject-verb agreement. When the subject is singular, you will have to take a singular verb. Again, when the subject is singular, Lynn, you will have to take singular verb. Okay? Do you understand?
Yep.
Okay. So that is why Teacher Ann said you have to be careful in the subject-verb agreement. Okay. In here, you will say bicycle needs a handlebar. So needs, not need only. Okay? Be careful only. And all, you will use have because all is plural. Okay, do you understand?
Yep.
Okay, okay. Okay, here, let's move on. Wait for a while. Okay, I'll be giving you assignment later again, always. So you will have to improve and you will be very good in dictionary. Okay, okay. Okay, and questions, look at this one. In part 1, questions 1 to 5, okay, look at this one. You will have to look at the text in each questions and what does it say, okay? Okay, but before that, Teacher Ann will give you 4 words, okay? Here, first is interval. When we say interval, you know what is interval, Lynn?
Yeah. A period of time between two events.
Yeah, it's a period of time between two events. The interval between 10 minutes to 15 minutes is 5 minutes, like that, interval between two events. Accompany, you know the word accompany?
It's like travel or go somewhere with somebody.
Yeah, travel or go somewhere with somebody. Okay, like I will say, Lynn, you will have to accompany me in going to Canada. So you will go with me. Okay, do you understand, Lynn?
Okay.
Okay, next is disappointed. What do you mean by the word disappointed?
It's like we upset because something you hope for has not happened, been as God successful,
Yeah,
etc.
very good.
Expected.
Yeah, disappointed, it is an adjective. Okay, adjective. So when I say, you know, Lynn, I was very disappointed with my friend today because she did not go to the cinema. Okay, you feel disappointed. So that is adjective. Okay, okay, Lynn.
Okay.
So when you say disappointment, that is a noun. A disappointment is noun, not adjective. Okay? When I say there is an disappointment in my face as I see that Lynn is going to lose the game. So there is disappointment in my eyes. Another is disappoint. Okay. Lynn, please tell your classmate not to disappoint me. That is a verb. Do you understand, Lynn? Lynn,
Yeah.
disappointed, that is adjective.
Yep.
Disappointment, it's noun. This, sorry, disappoint, that's verb. Okay? Okay, Lynn?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So I'll be giving you vocabulary words to make with three only. Disappointed, disappointment, and disappoint. Okay? That's three only. Okay. So thank you for that. Okay. Do you understand all the word that teacher and give to you?
Yeah.
Okay, very good, Lynn. Okay, that's my girl. Okay, here. So look at this one. Okay. So actually, this is the answer. Okay. Please try to look at this one and encircle the correct answer. Okay. Okay, go, Lynn. I will check your Zalo.
I know
Okay. What's the answer for number one?
is A.
Letter A. Okay. To wait 6 hours before having more or this medicine. Okay. Number two, what do you think is the answer?
Is B.
Okay. What should Louis do? Letter B, give Susie some photos. Okay, very good. Next one, number three.
I think number 3 is A.
Okay, wait. Let us see. For number three, I will read. Basketball training. Professional coach available for pre-book groups 48 hours notice required. Okay. What's your answer? So this is basketball training that professional coach available for pre-book. So you have to book first. 48-hour notice is required. So 48 hours you will have to book first. Okay, what's your answer?
I think
Letter
A.
A. Oh, it's letter C. A basketball coach is available if a booking is made far enough in advance. So that's 48 hours. So 2 days before you have to book. How about number four?
Teacher, what is advantage?
Where is it?
Number number 4.
Yeah, we're saying at the Plaza Hotel, it's not the top hotel we wanted, but
But
it does, yeah.
I mean, what
Ah,
is
letter
what?
C. She thinks it has an advantage. It means that advantage means that it will favor onto you. So you will have an advantage for this because you know how to play basketball. So if you are good in playing basketball, there is an advantage that you can play other games because you are good in holding a ball like that. At advantage, you have the edge. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think is the answer is B or C.
Okay. We're staying at the Plaza Hotel. Okay. It's not the hotel we wanted, Lynn, but it doesn't matter because this one is nearer the beach and I'm spending all my time there. Okay. So, how does Sabrina feel about Plaza Hotel? She's disappointed with it. She wishes it was near the beach. This letter B is not obvious the answer. She thinks it has an advantage. What's your answer?
I think it's B or C.
Okay, the answer is letter C. It's not letter B. Letter B, it's not letter B because she wishes it was near the beach. It already here, the sentence here already told you that it is near the beach. So you don't need to wish because it's already near the beach. Okay, how about number 5? How about number 5?
Let me think.
Okay. Charlton Theater booked early for Swan Lake to avoid disappointment as this is a popular show. So what does it mean? This is Charlton Theater. It's the advertisement of the theater, of the cinema. Book early for Swan Lake. This is the movie, Swan Lake, to avoid disappointment as this is a popular show. So, what do you think is the answer? Or what does it means? A. We regret that there are no tickets left for the performance of the Swan Lake. Letter B. If you want to see Swan Lake, buy your tickets as soon as possible. C. Swan Lake is unfortunately cancelled due to disappointing ticket sales. What do you think? Letter C, I guess letter C is not correct. Okay. What do you think is the answer?
I think is A.
We regret that there are no tickets left for the early performance of Swan Lake. Try to understand here. Look at the given questions on the left. Charlton Theater advertisement. Book early for Swan Lake to avoid disappointment as this is a popular show. So what does it mean? You will have to
buy ticket as soon as possible.
La, exactly. You will have to book, since it is said, you will have to book early for Swan Lake. So therefore, Lynn, you will have to buy tickets as soon as possible. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, now, have you ever listened to an audiobook?
Nope.
Yeah, what's this? Okay, here. Okay, for 6 to 10, okay. The people below all want to buy an audiobook. On the opposite page, there are descriptions of the eight cities. Decide which city would be the most suitable for the following people. Okay,
Yeah.
now here. Okay. Read carefully about this one. Try to read it and try to understand.
Okay.
Okay, you read number 6, David. Can you read David and teacher
David.
and
Yep.
okay, please read about David.
David enjoys spending time in the countryside, exploring different locations and learning about their past. He would enjoy listening to a description of somewhere that he could visit afterwards.
Okay. Number 6, David enjoys spending time in the countryside, exploring different locations and learning about their past. He would enjoy listening to a description of somewhere that he could visit afterwards. So David enjoy spending time in the countryside listening to the description. 7 is Emily. What's with Emily?
Emily enjoys classical music and drama and is interested in history. He would like to listen to a serious CD that will give information about a particular period of history.
Okay. Emily enjoys classical music and drama and is very interested in history. He would like to listen to a serious CD that will give information about particular period of history. So this guy enjoys classical music and drama and very interested about history. You know what is history, Lynn?
History, yeah.
Yeah, history is about the past. Okay, so this guy is very interested about history. He loved to listen to music and enjoy thinking about particular period of history. Number 8, how about the girl?
Isabel, Isabel has to write a lot of for her job. She's looking for some amusing fiction to listen to the car and would like a story that lasts a long time.
Okay, so Isabel, this girl, has to drive a lot for her job. She's looking for some amusing fiction to listen to in the car. Okay, fiction means it's a form of music that will soothe your mind, that will make your mind relax. Some fiction to listen to in the car and would like story that last a long time. Okay, she loves fiction story. She loves story a lot. Okay, she keeps on driving the car and listen to the story. This is Isabel. How about Oma? Can you read about Oma?
Is studying literature at university. He is particularly interested in modern poetry and would like to hear some of the poems he knows well being read aloud.
Okay, Oma is studying literature at university. He is very particular interested in modern poetry and would like to hear some of the poems he knows while being read aloud. Okay. So again, Oma is studying literature. He is particular interested in modern poetry. He loves poem. You know what is poem?
What is poem?
Poem. You don't know what is poem?
I just know pottery, but I don't know poems.
Poems and poetry are just the same. Poems, these are the part in the poetry because there are lots in the poetry. So poem is like a poetry. Like I will say, all things bright and beautiful, all creature great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made him all. Okay, that's poem. Okay, mostly in the poem, there are the same sound at the end. All things bright and beautiful. See, beautiful. All creatures, great and small. So, small and beautiful, they have the same sound, rhyming words. Okay, that is poem is part of the poetry. Okay, so this man, Oma, is very interested in modern poetry. So, she is studying literature. Okay, number 10. How about Tamsin?
Thompson's favorite novels take place in the past, and she likes exciting stories that move fast. She will like a city that's easy to listen and doesn't last too long.
Okay. Thompson's favorite novels takes place in the past. She liked exciting stories that move fast. She would like city that easy to listen and doesn't take last long. Okay. So Thompson is very fond of novels. Okay. She loves city that okay. She would like a city that easy to listen to and doesn't last too long. Okay. Again, I will repeat. David, okay, David is very fond of fictions. Okay, she's spending time in the countryside. Next is Emily. Emily loves music and drama and very interested in history. That's Emily. Isabel, she's amused with fiction and keeps on driving and listen to fiction story. Oma loves poem and poetry. She loves or she is he is very interested in modern poetry. Thompson, the girl, he has inclined in novels because it takes place in the past. She likes exciting story. Okay. Thompson is the one who like exciting story. Okay, do you understand?
Yeah,
Okay, let
and can I go to the
to the left.
toilet?
Okay.
No, teacher.
Okay, so let's see here. Okay, can you answer this one? Okay, let's see. Okay, first. Okay, here. So look up here. Books recorded. Okay.
What?
Wait for a while. Books recorded in CD. So we have here A. Okay, it's so wait for a while. Okay. So what actually you will have to pick here. It's letter C. I'm quite confused with this one. Okay, so let's move to other one. Okay, Hafiz coming home. So these are, I know it's hard for you to look for this recorded CD. So we'll have here for questions 11 to 20. Look at the sentences below about Tanya. Tanya Splitter, a professional diver. Read the text on the opposite page to decide if each sentence is correct or incorrect. If it is correct, of course, you will mark A on your answer sheet. If it is not correct, of course, you will write letter B. Okay? Again, look at the sentences below about Tanya's
Okay.
Twitter. Okay. Read the text on the opposite page to decide if sentence is correct or incorrect. Okay. Okay. Now tell me if correct or incorrect. Just answer it in your, do you have paper there? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, please answer 11. Just look at first. Okay, what's your answer for 11? Do you have, just tell me if you're done, Lynn, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, tell,
Nearly.
okay. Oh, it's okay. Just please read carefully. Okay, wait.
Teacher, I have the answer 11 to 14.
Okay, you have answers 11 to 14?
Yeah.
Okay, what is, okay, Tanya Streeterwood world record in 2003 was the deepest she had ever dived. True or false?
It's true.
Okay, 11, letter B, it's false. Okay, it's not correct. Okay, next. 12, what's the answer for 12?
It's true.
Okay, it's true. There were other people in the water with Tanya during her record-breaking dive. How about 13? What's your answer?
13, I think, is false.
It's false. Tanya accepts that free diving can be extremely dangerous activity. She did not accept. That's false. 14.
It's B.
Okay, it's letter B. It's Tanya, it's false. Okay, how about 15?
I think
Okay.
it's false.
Okay, I think it's false. Let's see. Letter B, it's 15, letter B. 16, correct. 15 false. 16 is letter
16 is A.
A. And Tanya is careful to limit the number of training dives she does in a month. Okay, careful. It's letter A. Next, 17. What's your answer?
False.
False. Number 17. Tanya spends more time helping environmental organization than appearing in advertisement. It's false. Okay,
Yeah.
very good. 18.
True. It's true.
Tanya's interest in the natural world started at an early age. What's the correct answer?
It's true.
True. 18. Let's see. Okay, very good. Number 19. Tanya has found that being famous has each advantage.
It's true too.
Okay, true. How about number, okay, 19 is letter A, true. How about 20? Because she
Let me
started
guess.
free diving fairly late, Tanya feels her sports career may be short.
Let me guess.
Yeah.
I think it's false.
Okay, it's false. Okay, very good. Correct, correct. Okay, here. So, Lynn, I will give you an assignment. Okay, this one. Okay, wait for one. Okay, I will give you assignment about here, the use of disappoint. Do you still remember that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, disappoint, you know already. Disappointed, that's a verb. Disappointment, that's a noun. Disappoint, it's a verb. Okay?
Okay.
Do you understand, Lynn?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have questions about this?
No.
Okay, that's good to hear. Okay. Okay. Teacher Anne will give you a assignment about this. Okay. I need to, sorry. Only 3 words. I am only asking vocabulary for these words. Okay, that's good. At least you will be very familiar and you will be very good in making these words. Okay. Now, Lynn, do you have more question or do you have other question to teacher?
No.
Okay. So I'll be seeing you when, Lynn? It will be on Tuesday. Okay?
Next week.
Oh, yeah. Next week. Okay. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Lynn. So for now, thank you for the time and see you on Tuesday. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay. Enjoy the school and always Be good in school, okay?
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye-bye, Lynn. See you on Tuesday.